Look at these three just hanging out. Emma does not really know how to make of this cockatiel. You're being really well behaved there, Emma. I'm really proud of you both. You are a little bit both puffed up. Hey? I'm really proud of you guys. You've been really well behaved. And Zuko is like, yeah, I'm a professional. What do you expect? She's like, what kind of bird is this? She's got bird feet. And a crazy little hat thing. Why is his hair sticking up on end? Why has he got rosy cheeks? It's all things that must be going through her mind. Oh, no. No, guys, no. No, you're friends. You're friends. See? Zuko's perfectly fine with her. I think Peaches is just upset because she's in the way of Zuko and him. Oh, no. There you go. You guys are still friends. Don't be scared, sweetie. See, Zuko's a nice bird. Peaches is just a bit scared. Peaches is just away. Oh, okay. Okay, sweetie. There wasn't too much call for that now. But Peaches did try and attack you just then, so I can forgive you for trying to look after yourself, yeah? Okay, guys. Alright, well, have a lovely day.